No. Get away from the camera.
My doorbell.
My doorbell. No, you don't.
Are you guys fighting over the doorbell?
Yes, we are.
What exactly are you fighting over?
The doorbell.
Why are you fighting over the doorbell?
Because Luke wants to scream at it, and I want to protect it. I want to protect it from the evil monster 99. Get out of here, evil monster.
I'm on video. You're videotaping it. Don't hit. Don't breathe on the video camera.
Why? Yes, I beat you. I beat you on the challenge. You started
Because we weren't ready yet.
No.
Should we videotape letting the dogs in?
What? Oh, so gross.
Yeah, look at that.
Nothing. Look at nothing. Oh my
Ow.
Easy.
Get ready. You have 3 seconds to back away.
I would back away if I were you, Luke.
Get off!
I want you. I gave you 3
Don't
seconds.
take your shit into my...
Space.
Sorry, but no, I grabbed this shirt instead. No. Mine.
Hey.
Her pants don't come down. They're glued on. Girls glue their pants on. That's why they're called stretchy pants.
Yeah.
You guys are gonna hurt each other.
Not if I hurt Luke first.
Do you want to let the dogs in?
Go ahead, Mom. I'm staying here fighting for that doorbell.
I'm glad you like the doorbell so much. Hey, where are you going?
I'm getting that doorbell once and for all. Then let go of me.
Get back over here.
As soon as I let go of me. Okay. The doorbell's gone. No! Thanks for pushing me. Wait. The more you do it, the more it's coming. No.
All right, it's been 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Can we go inside now?
Here's something on that camera.
No, it's a view of my arm. I'm covering it.
Ooh, it's a view of your armpit, your hairy, sweaty armpits.
Harry.
Current.
All right, let's go inside. Inside.
Now we're good.
Luke, would you like to be grounded?
Let's go.
Get your butt inside.
Let's go.